Not available insights option in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can solve the insights options not available on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if the insight option is not available on Instagram, you can open the Instagram app, and let's say when you come to the profile page you want there to be an insight option. Now first of all, the insight option only shows up whenever you have a professional account, because only professional account have insights. So if you're using a personal or private account, you can't have the insights option. So to do this also, you have to tap the three lines option from the top right, then just scroll down to the option called account type and tools, and once you tap on account type and tools, you can simply go to switch to professional account option here, and then just tap on continue. And whenever you tap the continue option and then you switch to professional account, next time you will definitely find the insights option in the settings page. This way you will be able to fix if the insights option is not showing on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.